Hello. Ta task idle game. So I have a task to edit a video. Um, the idea is to make a video to edit, and I have memes generating. So still don't have enough. But yeah, so let's see. So I already did one stage in idle game today. Just to date the video, it's January 4th, 2025, 5 a.m. I also need to do 1 hour game dev. But basically the idea is just for me to have a video to edit, and I'll probably, like, if I can do that, then I'd be able to cash this in, and I think like if I have a video and edit it, then I can just have it render. I can just render it tomorrow and then be like, hey, I made a video that I edited, so, and then just check that off. And then that'll be my one stage in idle game for tomorrow. But yeah, so that's the plan. That is the plan, and have some cuteness from my image idle game. I'm currently in the middle of working on saving and loading data. I just gotta put nodes into a to save group and give them a save function and put whatever variables I want saved in the save function. Going back here because in the item list, so load game, yeah, there's nothing. That was a lot of printing. But there's nothing on the right here. And that would be our people list item list. So first off, I don't need these prints anymore. Where the fuck is it? Where the fuck is it? Where the fuck is it? There it is. I didn't think I was already highlighted on it. But okay, people list. How am I going to do this? Place current item person. Oh yeah. For resetting. Else add item. Temp name, temp icon, and true. How do we get all of that information though? Temp icon is load icon, so all right. So I don't know right now, so I guess I'm going to theory craft. So I hadn't even started my fucking timer because I hadn't even started writing any code yet. Because we don't go back to main menu, should be all right to just have add item, right? If we have add item, then we will need 3 variables. When load add item. Oh. And have 3 arguments from one array. Okay, so what are we going to name this array then? First, let me go back to settings. So if attribute equals text, right? Then set node text. If get name 1 byte. Okay. I technically don't need this. This is probably from some game specifically in the past. But I guess I can keep it anyway. Just in case. Else attribute size, set size to vector, data node path size x, data node path size y. I don't know how it's stored because I don't have anything I need to save as size. So I guess allow me to look at something that has something like that size. Pix menu. Can I go in scripts? There's no way there's... Okay. Yeah, so I have a thing called size, and I set it equal to a dictionary. And I have it set to as a dictionary, huh? Just looking at past shit to try and get an idea of how to do current shit. Okay, so basically comma, oh god. Comma. That is not a comma. Comma. Alright, so we don't want size, we want item list add. So key and value. So what's first? In first is text, then icon, then selectable. So text. text equals. Okay, so I gotta do that for 10 people. I mean, I don't have to have it as a dictionary, do I? Because I can save an array. So I'm probably going to have to do some code before this. So var a equals empty array to put item list info into. And then while, oh shit, var e equals, what does it equal? I guess it equals 0. And while b is less than or equal to 10. Actually, it'd be 0 through 9, so less than 10. B plus equals 1, so I don't fucking have it infinitely going because there's stupid shit going on. So for each item, save a text icon, and if selectable, true. Var c equals another empty array, temp array to append to a c dot clear, so that we start off with an empty slate each time. Then C append, we want the text. So we're currently in people list. So get item text index, which would be B. So we got text, then C dot append icon, get item icon B, and I want it to print get item icon B. Okay, so this is probably going to fuck things up a bit. Save. Okay, so that's a bit of a problem. I guess what we can currently do instead is just append main.icon, which will give me this, and then temp icon equals load icon. We can just load it. I'll just have to remember that. Main.icon. New game, save. Okay. All right, so we got the icon path. Icon path, use load path to load it later. And then the next one is selectable if it's true or not. So c.append true. And then a.append c. And so when that's done, item list add, we will just do this equals a. So item list add should have 10 arrays in it with and each of those 10 arrays should be an array of 3 items. So, oh boy, this is probably gonna screw my brain. Oh shit, I already did some code. Shit. I forgot to do the timer. Save. Okay. I don't need this open anymore. Fuck. Projects. Open saved JSON. Dude, what? I'm so... Oh my... What? Okay. So I found it. How come all of them are Hinano Miyako? How come all of them are Hinano Miyako? That can't be right. All right. Okay. So, new game. Hazuki Fujiwara. All right. Save. Control F. Item. Peko Yama. Excuse me. The last one? What? Peko Yama. Okay. All right. Print Get item text B. Print B, please. Then print C, please. So it's being really done in a way that I didn't even know how, so. Huh, I didn't know that consisted, or stayed consistent, whatever. I don't know my words. Okay, alright, cool. Roxanne, 0, Roxanne, 1, Joanna. However, when we go here, it's all Carmen. So what's happening? What the fuck is happening, dude? Print. This is A. And then print fucking A. Output overflow. Dick gumshoe. Flannery. What is happening? What the fuck is happening, dude? That's not how append is supposed to work, you know? Alright, so we start off with Tenko. This is A, Tenko. Then Honduras. This is A, Honduras. It replaced our first one. It replaced the first one that we appended. I'm going fucking crazy right here. So, I am going to exit the editor. I am like super fucking stressed right now. I don't know why. I'm this stressed over this, but let's try opening it again. Alright, let's try opening again. Now, people list. Play. New game. Save. I have Dick Gumshoe again. Matthew. Okay. This is weird and stupid. Append temporary array 1. So it only does it once. But that is just so fucking weird. How is that even doing this, you know? You could say, oh, it's just like fucking... I'm appending C to A too many times in a row. Okay, but I'm also appending shit to C multiple times in a row. So like I append main I append the item text and then the main icon and true. main icon and true don't change. The get item text does. I want A to be 10 different, be an array that has 10 different arrays. And the only way I can do that is for me to append shit to it 10 fucking times, right? Or no. Well, I've done with people shit. I append it once. However, I appended several things to temp array. I've appended 1 stat ammo, temp reward, temp task array, task number, temp name. Okay, okay, so this is just off my fucking head, but it seems like it's only working here because I'm saving different shit to temporary each time. But here, I'm appending C each time to A. We clear C each time. And I don't know if that fucks with things. I guess I'll just try shit until it works, alright? So here's what I'm going to do, okay? Var item 0 equals an array. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is what I'm going to try, all right? So oh God. So this is it. This is in a while loop, but we do the same variable each time. So maybe if I have another while loop, I'll say b equals 0 afterward, and then while now I'm going to save it as a new var because reusing shit is apparently stupid. So var, I'll do it down here so that I don't fucking confuse myself. Var d equals 0, and while d is less than 10, d plus equals 1. And then I can do a dot append get item plus string of d. Then print a. So instead of doing this, don't print this. print this is a blah blah. Okay, so now what I want to do is get item plus string of b dot I don't even need equals C. Can't assign to an expression. What are you fucking talking about? Set. Are you telling me we can't set that variable to C? All right. I kind of want to calm down. I'm pretty sure we've done that before, though. Get resource path plus equals 1. Get resource path equals new amount. Should we? Okay, so append get item dot append yeah, sure, bitch. So it's an array with only one thing, and that's the array. Sure. That makes it more complicated, actually. You fucking idiot. Print item array bullshit. And then reprint get item plus the string of b. Okay. New game, save. Non-existent function append in null. Wow. There's a non-existent function? This doesn't work? Wow. That's funny. You stopped saying there was an error when I put it that way. You fucking dumbass. Okay. Well, if I set equal to C. Oh, suddenly you can't assign to expression. Suddenly I can't do that. Well, let's fucking play it and find out. Really? And why can't I set it as an expression, huh? Bitch. Okay, let's just comment out that code, should we? And now it's going to give me a different error. No. No. Shouldn't it just give me empty arrays? Okay. Print item 0, please. Let's do that. New game. Okay, so when I go to item 0, it actually prints an empty fucking array instead of saying null. So something's not doing well. Something's not doing well. Should be item 0. Based on index. Do we print off B? We should print off B. Yeah, there's this first one's 9. So print item plus the string of B. Let's see if it can print the whole string and say item 0, item 1. Yeah, it says item 9. Wow, item 8. Yeah, it doesn't get that for some reason. Okay, let's set something in here, all right? Let's set the string. Let's do item 9, since we'll see that first. All right, so string pizza rolls are the president. I have 28 fucking minutes to figure out what the fuck's going on, okay? Still says null. Still says null. Okay, so I've went down a severe fucking rabbit hole just to fix one problem. Just to fix one problem. I've appended arrays into arrays before. It should be fucking in here. Literally, temp array is an array. We put several fucking values in there, and then at the end, we append temp array. Once. We append temp array once. No, we don't. No, we fucking don't. Because num1 plus 1, 1 plus equals 1 or whatever. So, excuse me. So up here in this while loop, it fucking happens over again. What? Temporary. Yeah, we set temp array as a temporary var in the while loop. Okay. And the people shit array is in a different fucking node and different script. It is not. Does that? Okay, all right. Setting the var, does that make a difference? Does that make a difference? All right, let's delete all this shit. Okay. Fuck all this. Fuck all these prints. Fuck this. Okay. So I see shit now. Since we have it as a temporary variable in the while loop, we don't need to clear it because we always just make a new C variable that's empty through each loop. Through each loop. So now that I'm not using the clear function and the var we're using is not set at the same time in the same hierarchy as A, I don't know if that will help, to be honest, because I don't know what a difference that would make. Because it seemed like all I was doing was, like, it's supposed to be adding C to A and not changing the shit that was added before. But it seemed like it was changing the indexes before all to C, the current C. And, like, how the fuck does that even happen? How the fuck does that even happen by having shit formatted in the way I did previously? I don't fucking know, but I'm going to try this. I'm going to try this now, alright? Dot append C. Then after that, I'm going to print A to see how it looks, okay? Natsuki, Tome, Bonnie, Demikas. Oh look, Natsuki, Tome, Bonnie, Demikas. Okay. So if you're like a if you're like a calculated mathematician or game dev or some shit like that, feel free to go off in the comments and explain how it works this way, but not the way I had before. The only things I can think of is there'd be some kind of fucking complication with the fact the variable was declared as like the same hierarchy as A or some shit. Like, yes, A is a temporary variable, but C is more of a temporary variable, right? Because on this indentation, we can't call C because C doesn't exist in this indentation, but it does exist in this while loop. So it's technically a temp var that's limited to only this while loop, and A is a temp var that's only available to this level in the function, which is the first fucking level. In this while loop, we can call the first level temps and C, which is like a second level temp or some shit. But in here, we can't call C. C equals 5. The identifier C isn't declared in the current scope. So if C was declared in the current scope, it created problems. Was it because C was declared in the current scope? Or was it because I used the fucking clear function to clear it? Or was it like a combination of both or some shit? That's just infuriating. I can only assume that it saved how I fucking wanted it to now. Need C not in same scope as A because cause problems I don't understand. But with that, we should, yeah, we have it set as A now, and I have fucking 15 minutes to figure out how to load this shit. All right, let's go to settings. Let's go settings and load. All right, so if attribute equals item add item list add, then what the fuck are we going to do? This is an array for each index is an array for each item. What do we do for size? Data node path. The key of text. Then X. Key of set. Okay, so I think I know what I'm doing. I need to, okay. Node dot add child, add item, right, where's add item, temp name, temp icon, okay. True. Bitch. Okay. Node, which should be the people list. I need to do this in a loop. Need to do this in a loop. So for index in node path, right? Node path. Okay, so first one is text, so data. I could just say true. I don't even need, well, I'm adding the settings tab, so if I wanted it to be flexible, data node path item list add index. I'm hoping that fucking works. Index 0. Then icon should be the same thing, but index 1. And selectable should be the same thing, but index 2. Sayaka Miki, Lamontu, Adae, Wally. Invalid get index backslash on based array. Get index backslash. Let's comment that out and just print let's just do this. So it should do that 10 times. Sayakamiki. Okay. Seems like it worked, though apparently it's preying off too much text. So, index. So, it's probably still going to print too much text. Okay, that's where our problem is. That's why our problem is. So, let me just see the last print. Wait. Can I do index 0? that would be the same fucking thing, right? No. Okay. Let me just see what fucking happens. Okay. All right. So we're actually fucking closer. It can actually kind of read indexes. Okay. I wonder. If we do index in what happens now? Invalid. Invalid get index. So, I need to do eye drops. Fuck off. So instead of giving me an index, so it just has the fucking array. Huh. So when we do it like this, the index isn't the index number. It's the actual array that is in that index. So, wait a minute. So if that's how it's going to be, then I can just use index here. I can just be add item index 0 index 1 index array index 2. That'd be way simpler. Does it actually work? Invalid type in function add item in based item list cannot convert argument to from string to object. Right. We gotta load. We gotta load that as a fucking resource. Oh my god, can I really fucking just do that? Invalid get, wait, what? Oh, it's because I tried printing and let's comment this out. I might need it later. Dude. Oh, that's cursed. That's also cursed. Okay. Excuse me, princess. There's no way. There's no... Alright. So we got the name, we got the icon, and it's selectable. So it looks like it works. I'm going to new game. Nia, Maya Fey, have bitches, Chiho, okay. Alright. Okay, let's save this. Load game. Fucking did it. Holy shit. Alright. Index is the actual value of that index. Instead of a number when done this way. So just use index because it is the array we need. That's a lot. I stumbled onto that one. Being fucking easier. That's hilarious. That's like fucking Whiplash. Getting fucking unlucky, and then I'm getting lucky here. What's next? I'm definitely stopping here for now. I am definitely stopping here for now. So I did 1 hour fucking game dev. Where's my fucking... I can get out of this now. I don't need this. I did 1 hour fucking game dev. Let's go. Now, where the fuck was I? Gem label. Yeah, I gotta save the gem label. Gem label. Alright, spent the whole 1 hour trying to save and load the item list stuff, but we made progress. Yay. Still in the process of fucking doing the save game shit, but this is good. So, yeah. Menu here. I'm a little bit drained. I need to do eye drops too, so I will see you guys in the next one, I guess. I doubt it's going to be game dev, but hey, I need a video to edit, and why not? Two birds, one bug. Anyway, take care. Bye.